Help Cowie find the bugs. Tap to start. Let's find ladybugs. Tap to jump.
Yay! Ladybug! Yippee! Ladybug! Yippee!
Jump over the logs.
Yay! Ladybug!
Watch out for the mud.
Ladybug! Yippee!
Jump over the logs.
Ladybug! Ladybug!
Don't fall in the water. Watch out for the mud.
Ladybug!
Let's find butterflies.
Butterfly!
Watch out for the mud. Watch out for the water.
Yay! Butterfly! Yippee! Yay! Butterfly!
Use the sticks to cross the pond.
Butterfly!
Use the sticks to cross the pond.
Yippee! Butterfly!
Uh-oh.
Yay! Butterfly! Yippee! Uh-oh!
Uh-oh. Cowie ran out of paint.
Butterfly! Yippee!
Uh-oh. Cowie ran out of paint.
Butterfly!
Let's find worms.
Yippee! Yay! Worm!
Uh-oh. Mud.
Worm!
Look out for the beehives. Look out for the beehives.
Yay! Worm! Yippee! Yay! Worm!
Let's find bees.
Yay! Bee!
Get out of the mud.
Yippee! Uh-oh! Bee! Yippee!
Let's find flies.
Fly. Yay! Fly.
Use the sticks to cross the pond.
Yay! Fly.
Let's find ladybugs.
Ladybug. Yay! Ladybug. Yippee! Yay! Ladybug. Ladybug. Ladybug.
Get out of the mud.
Yay! Ladybug. Ladybug.
Let's find butterflies.
Butterfly.
Uh-oh, mud. Uh-oh, mud.
Yippee! Butterfly. Yippee!
Get out of the mud. Get out of the mud.
Ooh.
Uh-oh, Howie ran out of paint.
Yay! Butterfly.
Uh-oh, Howie ran out of paint.
You did great! Your friend is fast asleep. Come back tomorrow for more exciting adventures.